I still can't believe that we're actually handcuffed. Can I take you home, girl? Get you all alone.
What is up, guys? It's Ava. Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm here with Brent.
Hey, what up, guys?
And we're doing the 24 hours handcuffed to each other challenge.
I didn't know this was happening.
What are you talking about, Brent? I have receipts.
That is true, I did text you that. We have to go 24 hours with handcuffs on.
How are we going to sleep?
What if one of you has to poop?
Oh yeah. This video may or may not be titled 24 hours handcuffed to my crush, but Brent's not actually my crush. We moved on from that.
Yeah, we moved on.
If you haven't seen that video.
Which you can click right here if you want to watch
Click around
it.
here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing me handcuffed to Brent.
I find this extremely attractive. I actually have a, okay, Caleb's walking away now. All right, now your turn. It's the opposite of Brave, so like, your name's first, so Event. This is about to be an event with Ava and Brent.
Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to survive this.
Let's get into this week's video. Woo!
Ow, 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 ow. It hurts, don't do that.
All right, Brent, are you ready to get handcuffed?
I'm already handcuffed. Let's do it.
Okay.
Your right hand, where's the key?
Who cares?
Oh, we need the key, right? All right, Ava, you're under arrest. For, how tight do you want it?
I want it tight.
Oh yeah? Like that?
Someone's gonna like remove the visual from this and like put it just audio.
It's gonna be like us like in a, okay. We're handcuffed now, look.
Oh yes.
Okay, so, you know, I'm gonna go get a snack real quick.
No!
You have to come with me. Ah, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight. It like got tighter. Ava, so I probably should have done this before we were handcuffed, but I have to go to the bathroom. It's the number 2 one.
Are you
Where's your bathroom?
serious?
How are we gonna do this?
It's over there.
Well, maybe we should like start it a little later. Or, like,
I wanna go poop with you.
how about you stay out here, okay?
Yeah.
I'll go inside.
You're not gonna reach. The toilet's really far.
Okay, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work.
Ew!
Can you give me like a, Ava, can you give me like a towel or whatever? Like I can like while
Can you reach the toilet from here?
Wait, maybe. Oh, I can.
You can reach the toilet?
Yeah. You can open the door.
Oh my god!
How am I supposed to wipe? With
Use
one
your
hand?
other hand!
You're right. Okay.
This is the closest we've ever been.
I'm good for like 24 hours.
Okay.
Sometimes 12. Maybe there's another time we do this. Ow, 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 ow. You don't do any like exercises throughout the day, right?
I do yoga, but I already did it this morning.
Oh, okay, good. We got that out of the way
We
then.
can do a little yoga. Ew!
Ew!
Burping is my biggest pet peeve. I'd rather someone fart on my face than burp next to me. I swear to God.
Really?
I swear to God.
She would rather something.
Or how am I supposed to drive if I drive? We didn't think about this!
I want to take these off.
These are so annoying.
I want to be my own person. Oh, thank you.
I have to do that.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I have to open my doors anyway.
Ooh, I want a Starbucks dragon fruit refresher. Ew!
I got this today. Do you want it? It's a dragon fruit refresher.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
You're getting it.
And we're off.
How does it feel to be handcuffed to me, Brent?
You know, I thought it was gonna be like really kind of. I thought it was gonna be like kind of fun and like really cool, you know. But like, I think I'm gonna have a conniption.
Alexa.
That was Alexa.
Whoa!
Ava has a wedgie right now. She's trying to fix it. Good. Oh gosh.
Eating is accomplished.
But you didn't listen. I just coming out from the jail. Okay. I want to go in jail with her too.
That's my girlfriend.
Go ahead, Ava.
That's my girlfriend. You can't be talking to her.
Ron, what's your name?
Hungover. Bye, Ava. Bye, friends.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
He said his name was Hungover.
There's just a bunch of people staring at us in this Starbucks because we're wearing handcuffs. Like, you've never seen people wearing handcuffs before?
Yeah, don't you watch Prison Break?
You're stuck with her for the rest of your life.
That's right.
I love Han.
Wow, Brent. Last time we were this close to holding hands was when I was crying at Disneyland.
Don't play that clip, please. Last time we were this close, we were laying on the grass at my house.
Wait, are you ever driving and you get those commercials and it's like, I got it at Dini's?
Alright, so we're gonna stop at Target real quick. I need to get some face wash.
It smells like an elephant.
Like, you don't know until you like. Ow. This way.
I want to go this way.
We're going this way.
I want to go this way.
Ava, the Halloween section's right. Ow, ow, ow. We're going this way. There's a Halloween section.
This way.
What do you want to see this way?
I don't know. Toys?
They wear those pants just so they can show off their butt.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
They're comfortable.
No, you told me the reason why you wear those pants is because the butt.
I never said that.
They said that.
Brent, are you jealous?
No!
He's jealous.
Why would I be jealous?
He's jealous. Look, he's got nothing.
No,
What
do you
come
mean?
On. Oh, come on.
What do you mean? There we go. Ava's got a bigger butt than the twins.
No, that is
How do you guys
not
feel about
true.
that?
Cereal bowl?
What's this?
For Halloween,
Sushi roll.
you're gonna be a cereal bowl? In what universe?
Here we go again.
Dance party.
Roar! Get away from me! Werewolf.
Oh, the Legos! Ow! Ah.
We're going this way.
I just realized I'm wearing pepperoni and I'm a vegan. Don't do drugs, kids. Crazy when they serve you with drama. Oh, these are so cute. Really nice being this close to you.
Yeah, can't say the same thing about you. Should we, Okay. I don't think it's gonna work. People don't even know we're handcuffed now. You have to get the handcuffs out.
Again, too.
It's like we're almost holding hands, you know what I'm saying?
But we're not.
Like, shh. Ah! You know I'm scared of long-term commitments. Let's limit the times we have to get in the car, please.
Okay, so we just got home from our Target adventure. We're still handcuffed. My house is so cute. At 6:30 p.m. I normally would like wind down with some yoga.
Yoga?
Yeah.
How are we gonna do yoga? Follow me on Instagram at Brent Vera, please.
Please follow me. After that, I typically like take a shower or like take a bath.
Bath!
You want to take a bath?
Let's do a bath.
I have to put some pants on, Brent.
Wait, but what am I gonna wear? Just this, right?
You can do yoga in that.
I'll do this, and then I'm gonna look away, so I'm not gonna look at the camera, I'm gonna look like this.
All right, we got the pants on.
All right. Are you gonna wear that top?
I guess.
This is what we come out to. What? That's
out yesterday.
So today we're going to begin standing at the front of our mat. Stretch here and exhale.
Can I take my shirt off?
Inhale.
No, it's not gonna work.
Really pressing into the pubic bone here.
Pubic bone.
Ew.
Your nails are so long.
Hey.
Brent,
Because they grow so fast, I drink a lot of milk.
milk.
I'm like, can you leave us alone? We're trying to do yoga.
Push it into the chest slightly to make sure.
She actually left.
Now I feel bad.
Ow! We need to work together as a team, Brent.
I think I broke my jaw. Nice.
Feels nice.
Now find space in
Collect it.
We're doing pretty good.
Oh.
and exhale, spiraling all
She's back in the cobra. What?
Okay. You know what? This is too hard, Ava.
Okay, let's go take a bath.
Let's go. Ow. Ooh, it feels kind of good in here. Ew! delete that right now. Oh my gosh, it's gonna overflow. Okay, let me guess.
It's quite nice. Oh my gosh, if it overflows when we sit.
What was that noise?
This is nice.
This is kind of nice. And we have the candle lit.
Oh.
Yeah. This is not bad.
You know, Brett, now that I see you in this light.
You know, now Eva, now that I've seen you in this light, it changed a lot of things.
Yeah.
What do you do in a bath? Like, see, like, when I was little, like, I used to actually, like, bathe myself. Like, I, like, had soap and stuff. But, like,
Oh yeah, I would like sit in the bath for hours.
I feel
until
like-
I got like lukewarm.
yeah.
I usually like read a book.
In the bath? What if you drop it in the bath?
Wait, what if this gets like rusty and then like we can't unlock it? Wait, were you ever in the bath and then you took a cup and like stabbed the cup in the water and it would like have air and then you'd be like, whoop?
No!
I cannot be the only one that used to do that.
I don't think anyone did that.
Wait, Caleb, will you go get a cup?
Hey, why don't I look? What? Your foot! Stop! 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 Hey! She's touched me with her freaking foot. Stop, Ava. Get that away from me right now! Ava, your foot's touching me!
Your feet are gross.
What?
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? No.
That was stupid.
Go like this, go. And then you push it, touch the floor.
Okay. Oh. Is that fun? Is that supposed to be fun?
That was just me farting.
I gotta get out of here. Like this.
That's literally science as fuck.
Ava, don't get mad. But I just peed.
What? My foot's right by your pee-pee.
I told you not to put your foot near me!
This is my bad.
Yeah, that's why people are supposed to take baths one at a time.
Oh. I ate a lot of Taco Bell.
It's a hairy leg.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stop! Ho, ho, ho. Do I look like a dog?
Wait, why are there so many bubbles?
I still can't believe that we're actually handcuffed. We can't even see the handcuffs now. There's just too many bubbles. Ow.
Get up.
I can't. Do you have like PJs for me, or am I just gonna walk around in my underwear the entire time?
I sleep naked. Should we put like a barrier?
Yeah, put the barrier up. There's a barrier. Ah, this is
the worst.
How am I gonna sleep like this?
Wait, I'll cuddle.
No, don't cuddle any pillow. Don't cuddle the pillow. Let's just here. I should be on that. Wait. Yeah, I should be on that side. Because then I can lay back. Oh no, actually, if we're laying like this though.
Then you both
How do you
out.
sleep?
Wait,
How do you
we'll
sleep?
both cuddle a different pillow. Right?
It hurts. It. Like
This is nice.
Don't move, please. Don't. When is Caleb gonna leave the room?
As soon as we actually fall asleep.
You're gonna wait for us to fall asleep?
Don't you like my romantic twinkly lights?
I like him.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for braiding my hair, Caleb.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, let's actually.
I feel like I'm gonna get nightmares.
From what?
From being handcuffed to you the entire night. What do you think?
All right, Brent. It's officially been.
You know, I didn't sleep last night.
What?
I didn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. It's
Why?
uncomfortable. I couldn't even get space. I'm ready for this to be over. I've experienced way too many things I did not want to experience. I want to go poop alone.
It's time to unlock.
Finally. No
I'm
offense.
doing it wrong. Oh, that feels good. Woo!
Oh, look how red they are.
Oh my god.
Ow.
Ew. So that was the 24 hours handcuffed to Brent challenge.
Never doing that again. That was fun though.
It was fun. We learned a lot about each other.
Yeah.
I thought I couldn't learn anything more.
Really? You learned more? What did you learn? It's like when your parents ask you what'd you learn at school today. Like,
I learned that your poop smells. What did you eat for breakfast?
scrambled egg.
Ew.
I
It was an egg poop.
No, one thing I learned about Ava during this video, one like major thing that really stood out was that she snores at night.
What? I don't snore.
I couldn't even sleep.
I do not snore.
Yes, you do.
Maybe I had a little congestion last night, okay? But that's it.
A lot of congestion. You were snoring like it was so loud.
I did not snore. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like when I do videos with Brent. If you like #Brava videos. Comment down below what video you want us to do together next. Hopefully it's less invasive than this one.
Well, we're actually supposed to be doing a baby video coming up, but I don't know. I'm probably not supposed to say too much about that.
So you do this and keep talking. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more quality content. And also head on over to Brent's channel and hit subscribe. And that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye guys. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter.
Tell me, don't you know? Don't